Uncanny Automator Pro 3.0 introduced a really exciting new feature for recipes, the ability to delay or schedule your actions. Now you can control exactly when things happen on your WordPress site. Maybe you want to send a series of emails after a purchase, reminders about upcoming events, or expire access to something after a trial. This is how you can do it. Let's take a look at how to use delays and scheduling with a sample recipe. In this example, we want users that purchase this product to be added to a live event, enrolled in self-directed courses before and after the event, then sent a series of emails. The triggers and actions are already set up. We want the user to be added to the classes right away, so we'll leave these untouched. But we want to send this first email out 1 day after purchase, so I'll set a delay now. Next, I want to send the user a reminder about the live event 2 days before the workshop, so I'll change this email to send to the user exactly 48 hours before the event. Last but not least, I want to grant students access to a post-workshop course after the event. So I'll change this course enrollment action to fire right after the workshop. I'll just change this setting here. That's it. Now anyone purchasing this product will run through all of these actions at the correct date and times. You may wonder what happens if you need to cancel any of the scheduled actions, like if a user that made this purchase requested a refund. For that, you can visit the action log and click the cancel link for any actions that haven't run yet. That's it for delays and scheduled actions. We really hope you find these tools useful for your recipes.